Hi, Jaylene here, JayleneCase.com. What the heck does cleaning and choosing have to do with each other? I don't know if it's a change of the seasons or what, but I have felt this strong desire to deep clean my house and my office and even my laptop. And I've just felt like this Tasmanian devil going around cleaning and organizing everything. And then at a certain point, I realized, this is actually stimulating something deeper in me. It's making me think about choosing, about really cleaning up my life. What is it that I'm doing that no longer serves me, that I'm no longer really excited about? How can I let that go so I have more energy and more time to spend doing the things that are exciting me? And these days, those are forming mastermind groups and working especially with powerful female leaders who are always improving, even though they're sometimes anxious, so that they can get the work done they want to get done. And working with businesses, and specifically working with their people, their teams, to help them be more connected and more energized towards doing the right work. Those are the things that are exciting me these days. So it was time to choose, really choose. That's where I want to put my energy. And it felt great. It really did have that feeling like, when your house looks all clean and organized for at least a little while. I had that kind of feeling. So here's my question for you. Where is it in your life that you feel like you'd like to clean up? Feel like you'd like to do some organizing and some choosing? Thank you for being here. Bye-bye.